guys, welcome back to Cows Online. My name is Natalie and this is ASL part 2 of our basics and all of our funsy stuff while we're at home, bringing the entertainment to you. Welcome. Let's get started. We're going to start with numbers today, and what's a better place than 1? So with our beginning numbers, we're going to start, palm is going to be facing you. So 1, 2, 3, and remember this is W in the alphabet, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 can be like 10, like just a little knock, or it can be a little wiggle, 10. Either is acceptable. And now 11, 12, 13, thumb in, making 4, 14, and 15. So I'll do that one more time. 11, 12, have our 3, 13, make a 4, 14, and 15, making our 5, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19 can be done a little bit differently. I'll show you the options. So think of it, first round is, think of it 10 plus the number. So 10, which is like our fist, so 10, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we're just turning and going right into the motion. 19 and 20. Next is like a twist. So we have our 6, 16, 17, 18, 19. There you go. And then like the itch is what can be determined to be the last one. And that's 16, 17, 18, and 19. So there's a few options. When you have to do numbers and letters, especially like just the beginning ones, like 6, 7, those, it's best to tap twice. Right, let's say you're doing a password and it's W6. So W and 6 looks almost identical. So W6. W6. And same with F and 9. This is 9 and this is also F. So if our password is F and then 9, so it's best to go F9, just so they know it's a little bit different. And same if it was the other way, 9F. Either way, in that situation, the number is what's tapped twice. In the description, I will add a link to a doctor who actually teaches sign language. He goes way into depth about how to do 1512 and all the etiquette of numbers. And so if you really want to dive deep into sign language, I really recommend watching that video, or at least the beginning of it, to get a review of those basics and then a little bit more about when and where things are appropriate number wise. And it's just also kind of fun to watch because he's teaching a beginner. So highly recommend, check out the link in the description. Next we're going to do colors. We had posted a color video a little over a week ago, and I saw that it glitched, or at least when I tried to watch it, it did. So I deleted it. It paused on a very not awesome face of mine and left out some colors. So we're going to redo our colors. So first off is blue, which is like my shirt, I guess. We're going to make a B and blue. Just a little wave, blue. Next is purple. Make our P purple. Just like that, purple. Green, make our G, green. And then yellow, got our Y, yellow. White, so that's kind of like we think of our shirt, white. So we're just pulling from the top, white. Next is orange, and that's orange. Kind of like orange and orange. red. Red, we think of our lips, and it can be done a couple different ways. So it can be red, just like that, or you can pull away, red, red. Pink, again, think of our P, pink. Black, and that's just kind of like a line with an eyebrow, black, black. Gray, gray, we use both of our hands, and gray. And then last, brown. Brown is like that, brown. Next is some phrases that might be fun for you, like I'm learning sign. So that's kind of a cue for someone if they start talking to you in sign language to kind of tell them to slow down. Like, so I'm learning sign. So learning is like, or learn is like taking knowledge from a book to your head. So I'm learning sign. And sign is just your fingers pointing, you make a little circle. So one more time, I'm learning sign. Perfect. How are you? Very common question. So how is like an A's, making a fist, put them together, and we're going to roll out our dominant. How are you? How are you? And this is probably the one question where it's all in one motion, and how is kind of at the beginning of the sentence versus our name what when we did that in the last video. So how are you? And a good answer is I'm fine. So that's like a 5. You're gonna high five and then tap the thumb twice on your chest. So how are you? I'm fine. Just like that. If you hang out at the library, you know Miss Natalie is a fan of manners. So we're going to start with please. So it's a palm on the chest and you're doing a circle. Please. Sorry is an S. Same motion. So please. Sorry. Thank you. Just on the chin. Thank you. And excuse me. So we have our flat palm fingers. Excuse me. So one more time. Please, sorry, thank you, and excuse me. Now, you might ask someone, if you're talking in sign language, conversing, how do I sign something? So an example would be, you spell it out. So like, let's do C-A-T. You go sign, how. So when we did the how are you, we pointed at you. But now you just kind of do a little tilt. How. So spell C-A-T. Sign how. So how do I sign cat? So cat. Sign how. That's asking how do you sign cat. And then someone might do a sign and you want to know what it means. So take this for example. We see someone doing that. And you're like, what is that? So you mimic it. This means, whatever the sign is, means. So we have our hand flat, take our dominant with a V, and you just give it a little twist. That means. And fun fact, that's cat. Lastly, we're going to talk about saying goodbye. And that can be just like a wave, like bye, of course, normal. You can do see you later, which is see you later. So it's just kind of like pointing to the I, and then it turns into a downward L. See you later. See you later. Good. And last is take care, which have our K's. Take your dominant on top and tap twice. Take care. So, of course, you can just wave for a bye. See you later. See you later. take care. So that's all I have for you today, and I hope you've had some fun. If you have any questions, just feel free to put them in the comments. All right, bye guys. Take care.